Welcome back Amazon Finds review. In today's video, I'm going to share 12 top Amazon Finds kitchen gadget that'll make your kitchen routine to take opening cans just got easier. One touch, no mess. Meet the Bella electric can opener. Effortless operation, quick cleanup, and sleek design, your kitchen's new best friend. Upgrade now, make your life easier with Bella. Elevate your coffee experience with the Versuni Philips L'Or Barista Sublime Capsule Coffee Machine. Brew true espresso quality with 19 bar pressure for rich, aromatic perfection. Choose your moment, brew 1 or 2 cups at once, or savor a double espresso just for you, all with the exclusive L'Or Barista Double Shot capsules. Personalize every cup to your exact taste with adjustable volume settings. And the best part? It's compatible with Nespresso capsules too. Plus, every machine comes with a coffee tasting box to kickstart your journey. Tired of spending too much time chopping? The Gadget food chopper is here to transform your kitchen routine. With its 430 stainless steel wave pattern blades, this manual chopper dices onions, garlic, nuts, and more in seconds. Just press and chop. Perfect for everything from salads to meal prep, it's multi-purpose and so easy to use. Clean up, a breeze. Take it apart, rinse under running water or pop it in the dishwasher. Plus, the blade cover keeps your fingers safe while you chop. Save time, cook effortlessly, and enjoy hassle-free prep with the Gadget food chopper, the perfect gift for every home chef. Start your day with perfect froth in seconds using the Maestri House rechargeable milk frother. This powerful handheld frother creates rich, creamy foam in just 15 seconds, ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. One-button operation makes frothing effortless. Press to start, press to stop. With its built-in USB-C rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 2 months of use on a single charge. Lightweight, portable, and stylish, it's perfect for home or on the go. Cleanup is a breeze. Just detach the whisk, rinse, and you're done. Elevate your coffee game with this must-have frother. Struggling with slicing cheese or other foods? Meet the Kitchen Dow multi-purpose cheese slicer cutter, your ultimate kitchen helper. With an adjustable thickness dial, you can easily get precise slices from 1 to 15 millimeters. Its dual-blade system makes cutting cheese, sausages, jerky, or even veggies effortless, perfect for seniors or anyone with weak or arthritic hands. Safety is key. The lock mechanism ensures secure storage, while its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. And with hassle-free customer service, you're covered for any concerns. Upgrade your slicing game today with the Kitchen Dow Slicer. Looking for a safer, faster, and more versatile way to prep veggies? The Once for All Mandolin Vegetable Slicer is your kitchen MVP. With concealed blades and a spring-loaded handle, it's designed to keep your hands safe. Even kids can use it. Slice, julienne, or cube with ease, choosing from 40 preset cuts and adjustable thicknesses from 0.1 to 8 millimeters. Perfect for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Cleanup is effortless with its rinse and brush design, and the included food container keeps your countertop mess-free. Compact, easy to store, and ideal for any cook, this slicer is the ultimate kitchen gift. Upgrade your meal prep today with Once for All. Say goodbye to stubborn cans with the Bella electric can opener. Its powerful 60-watt motor and stainless steel blade open cans of any size with just one touch. Bonus features: built-in knife sharpener, mess-free magnetic lid holder, and sleek cord storage for a tidy countertop. Stylish, versatile, and a kitchen must-have. Simplify your slicing with the Skin Plus onion holder. Its 10 sharp stainless steel forks grip onions, tomatoes, and more for safe, even cuts every time. No more slips or uneven slice. Ready to make meal prep faster and easier? The OXO Good Grips Etched Coarse Grater is your secret weapon. Its ultra-sharp etched surface makes grating apples, cheese, butter, and more a breeze. Simply hold the comfortable, slip-free handle, Press gently against the non-slip foot and glide through your ingredients with precision. Whether you're whipping up salads, slaws, or savory dishes, this grater saves you time and effort while delivering perfect results. Hang it up when you're done for easy. Streamline your cooking with the Joseph Bloom Folding Steamer Basket. Designed to fit pans as small as 18 centimeters, its self-adjusting design makes steaming veggies a breeze. The heat-resistant silicone feet and fins keep it safe for non-stick pans, while the easy lift fork hook ensures effortless handling. When you're done, it folds flat for compact storage. Perfect for healthy cooking without the hassle, this steamer is a must-have kitchen essential. Elevate your meals with Joseph. Warm your sink with the Hibant Faucet Aerator. With dual-function spray modes, switch effortlessly between a soft bubble stream and a powerful spray, perfect for any kitchen task. Its 360-degree swivel design reaches every corner of your sink for easy washing and cleaning. Crafted with high-quality materials, including a chrome-plated finish and solid brass swivel joint, this aerator resists rust and handles daily use with ease. Certified safe and easy to install, it boosts water pressure while saving water. Upgrade your faucet today with Hibant. Take your coffee experience to the next level with the trending Coffee Travel Mug. Designed with a true taste ceramic coating, it keeps your beverages pure and free from metallic or lingering odors, perfect for coffee, tea, wine, and more. The double-walled vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot or cold for up to 4 hours, making it ideal for work, travel, or outdoor adventures. Built with BPA-free, food-safe materials, it's durable, leak-proof, and fits most cup holders, perfect for commutes or on-the-go lifestyles.